Hi, I'm Justin Fraction with Technology Advice. We've made it to the third and final part of our series on the top background check services available in 2023. If you missed our last two videos, you can check them out in the description below or after clicking this button in the top right corner of the screen. Otherwise, let's get right back into it with the last three background check services on our list, starting with HireRight, our experts' pick for the best background checks for small businesses. HireRight allows users to purchase checks when you need them rather than a monthly or annual subscription. This will likely appeal to smaller businesses that only need a handful of checks each year. The basic account level gives you access to current county criminal data in addition to SSN and national sex offender rolls. And now for those lists that we love so much. HireRight pricing is transparent. It offers 3 self-service plans ideal for small businesses, and it can run up to 100 checks a year on those self-service plans. And the turnaround times are quick. However, the setup process can be lengthy. The premium report only includes 1 education verification and 1 employment verification, and optional add-ons will quickly raise the price. Next up, HireRight, our experts' pick for the best background checks for enterprises. HireRight offers full-service background and screening solutions from one-off public record checks to enterprise-level services in over 200 countries. Users can improve your check turnaround time by getting real-time results as soon as they're available. And for those that already have one, HireRight includes an extensive network of integrations with applicant tracking systems ATS. For the pros, it's available in over 200 countries. The mobile app supports 22 different languages. There are industry-specific screening packages, and the portal is user-friendly. That said, sometimes charges for a check are more than the initial agreement. The turnaround times can be slow, and the customer service could use some improvement. And last but not least, First Advantage, the best for industry-specific background checks. First Advantage users can access data from 27 locations in 13 countries. It offers a wide range of industry-specific checks, from banking to healthcare to higher education to manufacturing. Specialized solutions are available for fleet management, sharing economy, and staffing, in addition to general background services. On the upside, First Advantage specializes in employee background checks. It includes industry-specific background checks across a wide range of industries, and it offers solutions tailored to businesses of different sizes and budgets. On the flip side, pricing could definitely be more transparent, and it focuses only on business background checks, so if you need other types of checks, you'll have to find a second service provider. And it could be easier to contact customer support. And that wraps up our list. For a quick refresher, here's our entire list of the 6 top options and what we recommend you use each for. Good Hire, the best background check site overall. Sterling, the best background checks for international companies. BackgroundReport.com, the most affordable background checks. HireRight, the best background checks for small businesses. HireRight, the best background checks for enterprises. And First Advantage, the best for industry-specific background checks. For more info on background checks and employee screening, visit our website at TechnologyAdvice.com to see the article this video series was based on. If you like the video, like it and subscribe so you'll see all of our new videos that we make just for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.